Hey guys, you've joined us on Moneycontrol Live. I'm Manisha Gupta and we're talking about monsoon right now, which is deficient by 37% in India in the month of June until now. A bit of a rain that you've seen happen because of the cyclone Biparjoy is what has kept these numbers on the saner side. But otherwise, when you look at state-wise numbers, they clearly are on the weaker side. Maharashtra until now is yet to see a monsoon onset, by the way. We do understand from IMD that the monsoon is stalled around Ratnagiri and there is no progress in last 1 week or so. And Maharashtra until now is looking at a monsoon deficit of around 86%. Maharashtra is not alone. You have Madhya Pradesh looking at a deficit of 93% in monsoon, Telangana at 82%. IMD also tells us that it is going to be 2 to 3 days before we start any progress on monsoons. But after that, the 10-12 days that we see from the end of June until 10th or 12th of July, we'll be looking at good monsoon period. The second half of July is yet a season or a period which SkyMet or IMD both are not very comfortable or clear about as yet. But the Kharif sowing numbers in the meanwhile have been quite dismal. When you look at the latest Agri ministry data, that tells you that the paddy sowing until time has been down 14% as compared to previous year. Pulses sowing is down 57% as compared to previous year. Oilseeds minus 14%. The couple of sectors which actually have seen better sowing has been cotton up 6% in sense of area as compared to last year, and core cereals is up 64% as well. So even as the sowing numbers will pick up in the next week, 10 days, 15 days, but it really is going to be about the yield and quality that could actually suffer going forward because of the late sowing. And if the El Nino threat actually proves to be positive or true rather, then we are looking at yields actually getting damaged even further. And the second cropping or the reseeding, resowing is something that the farmers perhaps at this point in time would not want to get into. So it's a lot of wait and watch is the reason that you have seen such low sowing areas compared to previous year as well. Well, the impact of this is that you are looking at many soft commodity prices firm up. FMC as a sector has seen profit taking today. If you look at the international markets, the El Nino impacts will be seen in various other countries as well. The grain deal between Russia and Ukraine is another thing that the soft commodities will keep an eye on. So it is going to be about weather and global markets and geopolitical tensions, currency markets. All of that will be impacting the soft commodities. And the view right now is that shorting them or staying on the short side of many of these soft commodities perhaps isn't such a great idea.